Welcome back to Watch Dogs episode 3 for Just Messing Around. Today I'm gonna do whatever I want because I don't care. Anyway, alright, hope you enjoy. Today I thought we could do something fun, and today I'm gonna be showing you what the cash run mini game is like. It reminds me so much of Mario 3D World, so it's fun. Watch this. Alright, here we go, it's a Wario. Trying to hit any of the red skulls or you get points deducted. Or no, time deducted. Oh no, where's it? What? Oh, up there. Alright. Oop. I don't want to hit any of those red skulls. Let's get all the gold coins. Run, run, run. I can get all. Whoa. Juke. Okay. I got this. Oh! If you find these purple coins, they deduct time from your overall time, so you should look out for those as much as possible. Oh no! Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. No, no, no. Oh, no, no. Oh god! Oh, that was horrible. Every single one. I'm probably gonna get bronze for this. Oh man. That's fine though. Hey, you know, it was only my first try on this one. Oh, nope. There we go. Alright. New personal best. What? Alright. That was fun, wasn't it? Now, let's see what other mini games I can show you, or better yet, I can stop a crime in progress. Let's go be a superhero! Yay! Alright, I need a car. I can't find one. Of course I'm at the docks, there ain't gonna be no cars. Oh wait, there's a truck. Okay. It's not fast, but it'll do. J.C. Brooks, the Uptown Sound. Awake.
Are you up for a digital trip? That's the question you may get on the streets of Chicago as a new underground experience takes hold. Known as a digital trip, only one of these mind-altering experiences is currently available. But those in the know insist more will hit the streets very soon.
That was a lie. There's like 4 available. I'll have you know, I've tried all of them. I am not addicted, shut up. Alright. Let's see what nefarious deed is going on. Oh no, that's not gonna attract any attention at all. Okay, well, wait, what's going on here?
Gotta keep an eye out.
Oh,
should be
okay,
close.
here he is. Here he is, guys, don't let anybody know. I think he's the bad guy and we have to protect whoever's gonna be his victim. But I don't know who that's gonna be, actually. There we go. Save the day. He was just trying to steal a propane tank. That was kind of lame. I apologize for that. I was expecting something for a run. Aw, man. Alright, well, I can make it up to you. Let me just find another quick one. Perhaps, Oh, there's this one. That's actually pretty close by. Alright, run! I don't know, I didn't just take the truck. I just keep running, I guess. Great cardio. Yeah. I'm totally not gonna be fat. Totes not. Okay, what crime can be committed on a bridge? Oh. Okay,
Yo,
well.
all I know, you better have that shit.
I need another day. Just one more day.
Fuck that shit. I'm done with your sorry ass. Get off. Hey.
There we go. I saved someone's life. Alright. I'm a superhero. Woo! Yeah! Alright. Now, for no reason, let's go for a dip. I just felt like it. Alright. Well, I think I'll wrap it up for this video. If you like this video, leave it a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos just like this. Alright, see you guys later. Soul out.